How you doing? How you doing, my people? This is Master Kelvin FX, El Dorado FX, as usual here, guys. Remember, we are here for you guys. We are here for you. So this is what we're trying to do our best as usual. Remember, this is no financial advice. This is just basically us trying to give you the best view and forecast in the markets. Hopefully, you guys profit today. Today was a crazy day in gold, massive correction to the downside. It was insane. So, but we're going to describe every entry that I gave. To be honest, I'm proud of that entry. We end every entry that El Dorado is giving, Master Kelvin FX. Remember that we are sponsored by Vantage FX and we are sponsored by PU Prime. This is our recap, but today I'm gonna be sharing with you also something very interesting. It's our channel, guys. So this is our channel, premium channel, guys. And as you can see, if you want guided entries like these ones that you see here, just follow us, guys. This is insane. We are starting the UK already. So we start very early in the morning sending signals for you. We started today our day at 6:14 in the morning and then sending signals from earlier. It was sales that we start sending, and yes, it was risky to do sales, but we knew there would be a correction. So it always on point our signals, guys. We are the best in the market. That's what I can say because I've been in signal groups. I've been in many things in trading, and yes, we basically know that we are the best at the moment in the market. We're transparent and we give you the best signal. So going back to our chart once again, it's gonna be real quick, guys. Is just because it's very simple. Remember last night I gave this risky sell entry. I hope that you guys took advantage. It went down more than 100 pips and then price retraced even before coming to an entry, and it went. Remember, this was the roadmap that we tried to go, and then the price stays basically around here, around below 2,550, 2,750. So, and then price dropped here, and then went back up, and then drop. It was a massive drop, a heavy drop, and it went all the TPs of the sell setup. Unfortunately, it was taken out by some pips, but it was very interesting. The bias, both of the setup, even the buying one, it got taken out after giving more than around 100 pips. So yeah, profit everywhere. That's what I mean. Unfortunately, sometimes doesn't work 100%. So we always need to use proper risk management. We gave our entries in our group, in our channel in Telegram. So if you want signals, just subscribe with us. So very quickly today, and this is what I'm gonna be doing, guys. I'm gonna be buying as long as we remain below above 2,700. Now the correction has been done. So we see the massive correction. So if we go to daily time frame, we're gonna see that. So it's a massive correction drop basically after creating a new all-time high again in gold. We have a massive drop to a very nice area. So going into our weekly, we will see that at the moment gold doesn't even fill the 50% of the previous weekly candle. So meaning that we have some targets to go to, but as long as the price remain above the current low, so we're gonna probably see gold going back up again for retest. At least try to retest few areas. If not, tomorrow we see the 50% or we see the price going below basically the 70% of the candle, or plus 70%, then we must see, but at least I think gold is going to try to retest these areas here, even though it creates a new all-time high. So we're going to probably see that from gold. Okay, this is the daily time frame. So but soon we're going to move to the 4 hours and then give it a go to our entries. That's what we're going to try to do. And once again, even myself, I can try to buy from here, but I would prefer that gold try to, this is the daily low, the current one. So if we can get at least a retest of that area, that would be really amazing. So let's have a look if we can get that, and that would be really good for an entry. Okay, buy entry targeting 3,000. Remember, that's our main target in this journey. So this is what I'm expecting. So very quickly and very briefly. So if gold decided to move up and not breaking the two, staying above 2,700, so 100% sure, guys, we're gonna go bananas. We're gonna go crazy. That's what I can see here. So this is my entry, buy entry 2,000. Remember, even though it was a correction of 500 pips, we're still in a bullish market still, guys. No serious break of structure. We need to see a very serious break of structure to be able to say the market is shifting. But for now, once again, let's do this. So 2,711 will be the entry price, all right? And then we always go by 60 pips of SL, but 2,770 will be the case of this setup going above the liquidity of the new all-time high. And then we're gonna go to 2,700 as SL, so we're in 11, 2,704. That would be our SL, 70 pips, around 70 pips. So this is a safe SL. We will see, what we want to see is just the retest of this area down here, and then price a go to fly. That's what we want to see. That's on the bullish scenario of the things. If not, guys, we need to be careful, because we can also see probably at uh, bearish momentum building up. For now, our target will be to the upside, but let's see what we can, if we will find confirmation. So I suggest that you start looking for confirmations from this low here, from 2,712 to 2,708. That will be the area. So I'm just gonna type it here, buy idea confirmations from 2,712 to 2,708. That would be the area for buys. Suggested entry at 2,711. TP 2,770. Extended TP, so 3K. Okay, and then the SL 2,704. Okay, guys, this is the suggested idea in case we keep buying. But remember, we already have a retest of very nice price there. Price refused to keep going down. So after taking two previous daily lows, and then we assume that the liquidity has been taken. A lot of liquidity has been taken. Okay, so yeah, let's see if we got retest. If you know, unfortunately, gold might fly before that. Okay, remember that this was the target of the bearish scenario. We reached that target, and now gold is trying to go back up again. Let's have a look how it goes. But this will be a second scenario in case we have retracement and the price gets struggled to go back to the upside. So I assume that basically I don't want to assume anything, but confirmations need to be looked up from this area here. So let's give a setup as well. So for the short, so if we don't have the push that we want, we always adapt to the market and find entries as well and confirmations. Okay, so our entry in this scenario would be straight 2,753. 2,753, that would be the idea. And then we're gonna go for a next sell, so the new all-time highs all the way. So actually, we're gonna go to 55, 255. That would be the entry price, and then we can go to 2,760 profit again, retest area. This time would be 2,685, could be lower if we go decided to go bananas, as they say there. Okay, the stop level will be 2,761. Okay, so that would be the scenario that we're gonna be looking at in gold. All right, so let's have a look if we get the ideas. So remember, but still we're gonna try to look. Actually, guys, this one, if it doesn't reach it, doesn't reach it, but I would like to give some breathing space. So it's 2,656 that I would like to have, and the SL in 62. Okay, this is what I like to see, and then see how the price behave in when it reaches this area. When I'll be looking for buys all the way from for sales confirmations. If you see if it doesn't break the all-time high, and I'm gonna just type it down the idea now. So check. So sell idea. You remember this is 4-hour time frame, so confirmations from 2,748 to 2,756. That's what I would like to see. And then entry idea at 2,756. TP would be 2,710, and extended TP 2,685. Okay, and then the SL 2,762. All right, this is the sell idea and buy idea that we have all of that in place. Let's see, remember that there are all the levels, but as I say, always say if you want signals, just follow us or ask us, and then we can tell you. US30 haven't checked today, but it's also correlate, and it's been very crazy as well. Now it's in again, it break the first level of buying, and now it went down to the second level. So meaning all of this is now invalidated, and it's nothing to look up in there. So for now, I will assume that as long as we remain above this other second level of buys, then we can still going up. It's the same thing as gold. We have grab liquidity. It can go even deep and grab more liquidity and go up. And that's basically, remember I explained this correction as well after see the price failing, taking the all-time high they created in US30. So just see, guys, what you can find there, but confirmations need to be found in this, at least in these two areas still. So to see the price flying again, let's see tomorrow, because tomorrow we got some news on the USD, and that will be really interesting because it's high volatility news that we have at 2:45 UK time. Let's have a look tomorrow, Thursday. Okay. All right, guys. This is Master Calvin FX as usual. Have a nice one. Take care and see you next time. Bye.